What word did you just write? The word that you just wrote, that you just finished writing, what is it?
You.
You, correct. Next word. Mind your space. Don't make your finger spaces too wide. You don't have much space left. Dot. That's a N. M. A for umbrella. St. Line for st. Your letter T, I can already tell you, it's too short. Your letter T is too short. Fix it and put a line for st. Let me see. So what did you just write?
Must.
You must. Let's go. P. Dot. A. Dot. K. Tall K. Tall K. It doesn't get a dot. It's a blend of the C and the K. So they must get a line. K. So what's the word?
K.
Start with the P. The P is at the beginning.
P. A. K.
And the word is?
Pack.
Color code your. Pack. Next word. V. V. Tall T. Tall H. And you still have 2 words to fit. Tall T. Tall H. Line together. V. Next sound, E for elephant. Dot. Next sound, M for moon. M. Dot. And the word is what? The M. What's the word?
Them.
Yes. And your last word? Let me see. Where's your cap for your letter A? So it can sound like A. Where's your dot? Where's your dot for W? A, W. And then A for apple. Y for yellow. Line together. A. Full stop. So the sounds are A, W, A. And the word is?
Away.
Away. Read the sentence. Point at the word that you're reading.
When.
Louder.
When. You. Have.
When you have.
When. You. Had.
It's not had. There's no d.
Have. Finished. Playing. With. Your. Toys. You. Must. Pack. Them. Up.
Up. Show me where's the A and the P in that last word. That last word is not
Away.
up. There we go. All right. I think we can stop here for today. And I'll see you online on Monday. Peace out. Peace out.
Peace.
Louder. Peace out.
Peace.
You can be this loud.
Get the rat. Get the rat. rat. Get the rat.
But there's an exclamation mark here. This is supposed to be loud. Every time you see this punctuation mark, you know the word is loud.
Rat.
Mm-hmm.
Get the rat.
Mm-hmm.
It is on the rug.
Yes.
It is not the rat.
But this one doesn't have an exclamation mark, so you can just read it in your normal voice. But this one,
It is not the rat.
mm-hmm.
It is a sock.
There we go.
Get the rat.
Mm-hmm.
It is in the cup.
Mm-hmm.
It is not the rat.
Mm-hmm.
It is on his hat.
Good.
Is a mess.
Mm-hmm.
Bag. Get the bag.
Oh, was that the end of the book?
Yes.
Okay, high five. Well done.